What's up, you guys? Max here from No Limit Mero, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys what it's like driving at nighttime with 5% tint. That is some people's biggest concern as far as the 5% tint. What is it like? Is it dangerous? Can you see out of your mirror? So I'm going to be showing you guys what that looks like in this video, so let's get right into it. Alright, you guys, this is what it's like, a little POV. Alright, put that bad boy into drive, and this is what it looks like, at least from my perspective. Just driving for a little bit. Probably skip this part just until I at least get out of this parking lot, because it's a pretty well lit area and we're trying to show what it's like on regular roads. Alright, you guys, this is what it's like. Taking that first little turn. You guys can see it is a little hard to see out of these windows, and then if you look at the mirror, see, you can obviously see lights and things of that nature out the window as far as behind you, and you can see if there's cars, but if a car didn't have their lights on, that could be semi-dangerous. And then if you just roll the window down, you can see how much clearer it does actually get. But in this video I'm showing you guys what it's like with just the tint. So put that back up, and then out the other window, you know, it almost looks black, but you can see out it. And if you're looking to change lanes, like I said, the lights are very important, but it can get dangerous if someone doesn't have their lights on and if you're not paying fully attention. So I would maybe recommend a lighter tint if you're scared as far as that goes, but this is what it's like on just a normal drive. I'll wait, hopefully there's a car. See, if you look out the window, you can see that car's lights, but obviously, like I've mentioned, you can't see much of the car itself. So I'll just show you right out the window, and here is some cars. You can see, obviously, there they are, but almost the entire frame of the car you cannot really see. So it's just, but obviously you're looking out, you know, just the front window usually. So I'll take a turn up here and show you guys what it's like. So I ended up taking a right over here, and if you look out the window, because you're using the front windshield as well as the window, you can see it is a little tough to make out anything, and if you're a little nervous, you will want to roll the window down, which, like I said earlier, can get annoying. So this is how it is when you're just taking turns, so a little annoying. Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed the video and answered some questions for you guys as far as if you should get it or not, if you think it's too dangerous. My thoughts, I feel like it's fine. A lot of times you can just roll down the windows. If it's too cold sometimes, that might be annoying, and if you don't like doing that, but it can be a little difficult, but I think it's worth it because of the looks. But I talked about that in a different video. I'll link that up above, but other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.